Hello. At Contactzilla, our speciality is managing business contacts and deploying them to devices at scale. But we've also added a simple CRM view for your contacts. And although there is no complex dashboards or sales analytics, what we do have is a simple way to move contacts through a pipeline, such as sales or recruitment, using Contactzilla labels. We do have a previous labels video, which I've linked in the description, and this covers filtering and organizing and deploying contacts to mobile devices. The CRM view gives those same labels another practical use. So let me show you what I mean. In this example, I'm using a school district address book to track contractors and suppliers as they move through onboarding. So I'm going to hit New Pipeline and call it External Onboarding. And my label prefix is going to be status, so I will leave that as is. And after creating that, all of my contacts are shown here in the inbox. So I'm going to set up 4 channels for this pipeline. New, information requested, under review, and approved. I'm using the Add Channel button here each time and naming accordingly. So let's start moving some contacts through this pipeline by simply dragging them across. So Adam here from Maplewood Technology has been asked for insurance docs, which we're still waiting on, so I'm going to move them to info requested. And Benjamin here has sent everything back, but I haven't had a chance to assess anything, so he's under review. And these contacts have done everything right and are now part of my approved category. If I want to export any of this data, either as a CSV or vCard, I can do so here. And I can look these contacts up in the normal contact directory view by clicking the contact and clicking the Open in the Contacts View button. And we can see that the new CRM labels are just standard group labels that have been applied. I can change that label here. And back in our CRM, that contact has moved to the correct stage. And because Contactzilla is designed to sync contacts to mobile devices, those labels can also be useful outside the dashboard. Let's pull up my iPhone here. And the lists are shown here, and I now have a list of contacts with outstanding info to collect, so I can go ahead and start calling. And you might have other things that you need to track, so we can just create a new pipeline, this time for staff development, with its own set of channels, and that will show up here. So that's the CRM view, a simple pipeline built on Contactzilla labels, giving you another way to organize, track, and work with your contacts.